Welcome to our channel.
Jaguar F-Type SVR 2017 review. While some models in the refreshed 2018 F-Type range benefit from more power, the updates to Jaguar's flagship SVR are only skin deep. There are minor tweaks to the exterior styling and changes to the cabin, but the SVR's performance and drama are unaffected. Jaguar fans can sleep easy, it has still an utterly mad sports car and a Larry rival to the Porsche 911. It's surprising to think it has been 4 years since Jaguar created its first modern reinterpretation of the immortal E-Type. That milestone now means, inevitably, that the F-Type is ripe for a round of updates and the first car we've had the opportunity to try is the range-topping SVR.